Are you looking for the best legal headlights for your car to brighten up your night driving? Well, keep watching. Now, listen, there's a lot of options out there. I'm going to tell you the ones that are recommended by the top people, and then you could go check out which one you like best. So, if you've ever struggled to see the road clearly at night, I know it could be frustrating, when your headlights aren't bright enough and they don't even last long enough. Worst of all, using the wrong headlights can get you in legal trouble, okay? But don't worry, I got you covered with the top headlights for your car. So first up, we got Sylvania SilverStar Ultra. Those headlights are perfect for clear, bright light that improves visibility without breaking the law. Now, if you're looking for long-lasting brightness, you got the Philips X-tremeVision, okay? It's a great option that gives you a powerful beam and is completely legal. And I'll put these in the description. For better night vision, you got the OSRAM Night Breaker Laser, basically. Provides excellent light output while staying within legal limits. And if you want energy efficient headlights, you got Hella High Performance, which is great as a choice for clear and bright light that is road friendly. Finally, you got GE Nighthawk Platinum. Those headlights are known for their advanced technology and clear, crisp light, making them a top pick for legal headlight options. So if you want better visibility and a safe legal driving experience, those headlights are great. And check out the ones you like best. Now you have the list. I'll put it in the description. And if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. I love you.